Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll be going through bank reconciliation statement, one of the most easiest chapter in accounts you'll be starting through. So let's understand what do we have under bank reconciliation statement. I'll be giving you a certain situation whereby one person who is the manager of a superstar. Let's see what happens in that situation. So the situation that we are going through right now is that we have Mr. Akshay Kumar, who is the star here, and we have his manager Mr. A. Now, when we go through the situation, Akshay sent his manager Mr. A to withdraw a check of rupees 2 lakh. The manager went ahead to the bank and he gave the check for withdrawal. The bank manager thought that this is a check which has came for withdrawal, and he went ahead and processed the check. Now, while processing the check, he realized that the account doesn't have sufficient balance to go ahead and make the withdrawal successful. So, the bank manager went ahead and informed the manager of the star that the bank doesn't have, or the bank account doesn't have that much sufficient amount to give the withdrawals to you. So if you can just fund the account and come again with the same check, we can help you withdraw the amount. Mr. A was really frustrated with this kind of embarrassment in the whole bank. He went ahead to the star and then told him, "You don't have money. How do you think we are going to withdraw 2 lakh check and then make the payment?" The star said, "It is not possible at all. According to his cash book, there is a balance of 18 lakhs into his account. So a withdrawal of mere 2 lakh wouldn't have caused this problem." Was called up by the bank manager and he told him, "We will do something about this. We have passbook for our transactions. You have cash book for your transactions. We'll go ahead and we'll rectify and we'll see which all transactions have been missed out." This was the suggestion which was provided to the bank and the star by his chartered accountant. Now, this is where the star will be able to understand where is this difference of 16 lakhs coming into his account, as the account balance which he specified was 18 lakhs. However, the balance as per the bank is less than 2 lakhs. So now we'll go ahead and determine how and where this amount went for the star. Let's see. Now, when the star goes ahead and checks the balance as per his cash book and as per the passbook, he understands that there are certain transactions which he have mentioned in his cash book but which haven't been seen in the passbook. There might be certain transactions which have been mentioned in the passbook but which are not visible in the cash book. That is the reason there is a difference as per the balance as per his cash book and the balance as per the passbook. And that's when he realized that there is a reconciliation that is supposed to be done to this account, which will ensure that both the bank passbook and the cash book are on the same page. This is known as bank reconciliation statement. A statement which provides sufficient information to understand the difference between the transaction. This happens with every one of us. We have certain sum of amount, but we don't know where the amount was spent, and we have a certain balance in our account or in our mind which we think that this is the balance this should have been, which is absolutely correct, because if you have spent certain amount of the amount that you already had, that means you are pretty sure about the balance that should have been in your account. But more or less, it happens that the account is above the expectation or below the expectation. The difference that provides, or the difference, or the statement that provides the difference of this over and above the expectation is known as bank reconciliation statement. So this chapter, what we'll be studying further, will give you the details of what are the reasons why this transaction different arises, how it arises, and how it can be rectified. Thank you for watching Ekeeda. Keep subscribing to Ekeeda.